Page 36, March of the English Guard. It's about 1.5 pages long. Most of it's on page 37. Treble and bass clef, 4/4 time signature. I don't see too much. We have F sharps, but otherwise we're playing all white keys, it looks like. And we got quarter notes and eighth notes and half notes. Hopefully we can handle those. I'm going to kind of take it both hands at the same time because either it's one hand or the other playing, or the left hand has chords that we've had before. So starting at the beginning, the right hand starts here, thumb, and the left hand is here, so we're here in G position. And it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and I'm connecting everything for now. Yep, 2 notes together, and you do that some more. Let's go over to measure 8. The left hand has the D7 chord here, and then it's the 5/7 chord to the 1 chord. We talked about all that junk before, I hope so. And that's for the most part the piece. Now once you're comfortable with the notes and the rhythms, then we can think about the articulation. I'm going to hinge at the wrist on short staccatos. Connect out, lift up, lift up. So I'm lifting up at the end of these lines because it's a phrase. It's like taking a breath. So it's like I'll measure 4, I'll lift up. So, like the breath. Then when you're comfortable, we think about the dynamics. F for forte. All of this is melody at first. Whatever you think loud is. But when you get to the half note there, I'll measure 4. It's the right hand. Keep this a little under. And then it's melody again. So the left hand, whether it's melody or not, tells you whether to play it out. It's like on measure 8. That's the melody. These chords got to be soft. We want to hear the melody. And then on measure 9, you come down to soft. And then on measure 10, you're gonna go back up to loud. There, you're loud there, actually, on the half note. And then you'll. They don't always put the dynamics and the hairpins and everything exactly where they go. So you can be loud on the half note. And you finish it loud. As far as the speed goes, well, it's marching. It's a march. Left, right, left, right. That's my march. You take it at your march and see what you can do with it. When you feel you're ready, with no hesitations, let's play it together very slowly and double check all the notes and rhythms. I'm not going to do any dynamics, just notes and rhythms. I'll do the staccatos and things. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, and go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and... and 2 and 3 and 2 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and off. There's a duet for this at the bottom of page 136. I'd like to play that and you play what we just played. But we're going to go a little bit faster, and I need you to go up an octave again on the piano. So just pretend that middle C is instead of here. Just pretend middle C goes up here. This is middle C. Instead of here, you're up here. Play it all up here. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go.